Hey, in this video, I want to talk to you about my in-dealership used car workshop. But before I do that, do me a favor. Hit the like button, leave a comment at the bottom at the end of this if I say something that's worthwhile, and certainly it will be. And how about hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So, okay, here we go. My in-dealership used car workshop. A lot of people wonder what it is. Now, maybe you've actually had me come to your dealership in the past, and it'll be a little bit different than it was in the past, but I'm going to lay out what I would be doing for you if you're a previous client or if you would be a new client. Look, I'm going to come to your store, and if you have multiple stores, I want you to bring everybody to one central site. So you may have to rent a hotel room or meeting room someplace, but if you got a meeting room in your dealership, that's going to be fine. So we can do this for one store, we can do it for 25 stores and 150 people. Doesn't really matter. The more people you put into the workshop, better off you're going to be. Now look, when I say the more people, I'm talking about your F&I manager, your sales manager, your desk managers, your internet managers, your service manager, anybody that's a manager. I'd like to make sure that you have them in the workshop, because nothing will change in your dealership until everybody gets on the same page. See, in this business, most people have a pretty good understanding of what the used car department is supposed to be about. They have their own ideas about how it should work. But the problem is, this person has an idea of what they think, this person has an idea of what they think, and so you have kind of a hot mess going on frequently. My workshop's going to create clarity. It's going to get everybody on the same page. My workshop's probably going to take 2.5 hours or so, depends on what we decide to do. And what I mean by that is, I would want to talk to you prior to the workshop to make sure I get dialed into where the greatest opportunities are for you to make an improvement in your dealership. It's very much tailored to your store. Yes, there's some fundamental basic things that will always be a part of what I'm going to talk about. But I want to make sure that I include whatever items that you come up with. You say, Tommy, we've been talking about this and we just can't seem to get it straight. We put it on the table all the time. We have these management meetings, but we still have aged units. You know what I mean? We can fix that. By the way, if you've got aged units, there's no excuse in that. So look, do me a favor. If you hit that reply button, or if you're watching this on YouTube, send me a message, Tommy at TommyGibbsTraining.com, or you can send me a text message at 850-251-2310. So reach out to me. Tell me you're interested in the workshop, and I'll send you a proposal. But I need to know a little bit about your dealership. So if you send me something, tell me where you're located, how many stores we're talking about, how many managers we're talking about, and maybe any issues that you have going on that you want me to address. And I'll reach out and chat with you. I'll send you a proposal. I'll send you an email, and we'll be ready to get something going on. You get to make the decision. I'll give you a price. I ain't cheap, but boy, am I really worth it. And here's the thing. I say I'm not cheap. I actually am, because the information I'm going to share with you and how I present it has great sticking power. I talk about the evaporation factor a lot in this business. You put a process in, 60 days later, it's evaporated on you. What I'm going to put on the table doesn't evaporate that fast. And it has real sticking power. Everything evaporates over time unless you've got great discipline. We'll talk about that. Hey, I'm Tommy Gibbs. Please reach out. Watch this video right here. By the way, this video right here, it's got some information that will help you. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and have a great day.